What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to talk to you about is affiliate marketing dead? Okay, because honestly a lot of people have been asking, a lot of people wonder, and I want to explain that to you. But I also want to tell you why most affiliate marketers fail. This is something you probably done some of these things. If you're in affiliate marketing, you have probably done some of these things, and I say that with absolute certainty because I know I've done that. I know anybody else that has done affiliate marketing has done things the wrong way once or twice. So I want to explain why most affiliate marketers fail, and I want to explain why affiliate marketing is not dead. So to answer your question, affiliate marketing is not dead. Okay, it's not dead. But, and I'm going to answer that in just a second, kind of explain why a lot of people think that is. But I just want to show you this right here. This is Affiliate Marketing Monsters. This is my marketing course, my affiliate marketing course. It's going to teach you from A to Z how to make money doing affiliate marketing, exactly how I've done it and exactly how a lot of my students are doing as well. So if you want to check this out, it'll be the first link in the description box below. But let's jump over. Let's get off my computer and let's talk about, is affiliate marketing dead? Why or why not? So the first thing you need to understand about affiliate marketing is it's not dead, it's not going anywhere, and it's probably better than ever. Now the reason why is because there are businesses out there that are getting a lot of, not a lot of heat, but a lot of attention from new entrepreneurs, from new people wanting to make money online. Okay, affiliate marketing has been around for years. eBay has been around for years. How many people do you see on YouTube or really on social media, or whatever, just shouting from the rooftops, "I made this much money on eBay"? Not a lot of people are doing it. How many people you see saying, "Hey, I just made $15,000 this month doing affiliate marketing"? You don't see that very often. But why is that? It's because these are not new. These are older businesses that are still great businesses. I still make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. And the reason is because there's not a lot of people doing it. Everybody is going away from affiliate marketing. But why is that? It's because Amazon FBA just exploded. Shopify, drop shipping, exploded. Okay? These new business models, social media marketing, exploded. All these things that, social media marketing, people knew about it, but it wasn't until Tai Lopez really pushed it, a few years ago, that a lot of people started picking up on it. And now a bunch of people are selling courses on how to get into social media marketing. Okay? Same thing with Amazon FBA. It wasn't, Tai Lopez that made it famous, but there's a lot, myself included, we're guilty of that. We put, content online here on YouTube, over on Facebook, on websites about how Amazon FBA was making us a ton of money. And because of that, a lot of people started coming in. And so that's one of the reasons why, I still talk about affiliate marketing and how to do it and, step by step and all this stuff. But a lot of people don't watch those videos because that's an old method. Nobody wants to do affiliate marketing because it's an old method. Doesn't have the sex appeal that Amazon FBA, Shopify drop shipping, social media marketing, making, a ton of money very quickly, but then it kind of levels out. With affiliate marketing, you kind of slowly go up. You make a little bit, in the first few days, the first couple of weeks, and it slowly builds and builds and builds and builds and goes up. That's how affiliate marketing works. It's more consistent, I believe, than, drop shipping, but, it really depends on who you are. But in my opinion, Amazon FBA is a great business, but affiliate marketing has been proven. It was proven years and years ago. I want to show you something really quick, okay? So let's jump back over the computer and I'm going to show you something, and I'm going to kind of show you, what it is, or proof that this business does work. So here we are on the computer. Now, I want to, years ago, okay? And when I say years ago, I'm talking, 10, 12 years ago from, this point. John Chow, I talk about him all the time. He's a great guy. Makes decent amount of money right here. The $6,000 he made while working out. This is only from Mob. Okay, it's a kind of network marketing thing. But anyway, that's not what he's really making money from. He's making a lot of money every single month from his website, from blogging, from being an affiliate for just a bunch of things. Okay, he's the one that got me kind of started with affiliate marketing. So this is why I want to show him to you, is because the front of every single one of his videos, he doesn't get a lot of views. Okay, 3,000 from a week ago, 500 2 days ago. He has johnchow.com/ebook. This is his free ebook. You go put in your name and email address and you can download his ebook. This is the reason why I think a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing, is because they don't do it right. They're not trying to build value. They're just trying to get a quick sale. So I want to show you something. So right here, do this little graph, okay? So one of the reasons why, I think people fail with affiliate marketing is because they look for the money. What they think is going to happen is it's going to go something like this. That's how they're going to make money, okay? That's what most people think. They're going to make just so much money and be very consistent. That's not the case, okay? That's not the case over time. It's not just straight. What happens is money increases as time goes by. But also, you need to understand that you have to provide value. This is where this comes into play. The no initial value. If you provide more value in the beginning, you will make more money faster. Okay? This is one of the reasons why I love YouTube, because I can give you advice. I can tell you, how to do certain things. I'm giving you value up front. And so you can see I actually know what I'm talking about. I know, okay, okay, he's telling me all this stuff up front for free. So just imagine what's on the back side, what's on the back end of his course, or what's on the back end of this email list or inside this email sequence that I'm going to get in. What's on the back side. So I know, okay, if I provide just an immense amount of value in the beginning, then chances are this person will become, a long-time subscriber, will become a long-time viewer, and I'll make more money on the back end. That's how this strategy works right here, okay? So just know this is not the way, make that a little bit bigger. This is not the true way to make money doing affiliate marketing. It's not consistent like that, okay? It's more like this graph down here. Now I'm not trying to push you away. I'm just showing you what's actually going to happen, okay? Next thing is a limited traffic source. How many places do you get traffic? This is one of the biggest issues I've seen, other than there's no initial value given, is that how many people are you getting in front of? If you don't have a YouTube channel, get one. Yeah, you're not gonna make a lot of money with ads, but that's not the point. You're not making money as a YouTuber, right? You're making money as an affiliate marketer. So what I recommend you do is you start putting up, let's say, links to courses, links to Amazon products, links to, services, software. If you can get something that is going to be a residual income every single month, that's even better. Okay. So you need to get more traffic though. That's one of the things I see a lot of people struggle with, is how do I get traffic? That's why I love YouTube. That's why I love Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest and Reddit and blogs, and websites. I used to talk about this all the time, but that's one of the things I did to get started. And that's one of the things I do to build any new website, is I'm doing guest post on guest post on guest post, trying to get more of my content out there for people to see it and eventually come to my site. Because I know the more traffic I get, the more people that will see the different links, the different affiliate offers that I'm promoting, that's where I'm going to start to make more money. But at the same time, you have to give that initial value. If you don't, nobody cares about what it is you're promoting. So you put up a link on YouTube, or you put a link over on Facebook, want your friends and family to click on it. Why would they if you don't give them any initial value to go off of first? And then they'll see, okay, this is probably what he wants me to do next, is I just read all this stuff. I learned how to, cure cancer. Now I need this cancer curing kit. Okay, yeah, I need that. Okay, so give that initial value first. I know that's obviously not true. There's no cancer curing kit, but you need that initial value first, and then you offer them something that will go along with that will complement what it is that you're just talking about. Okay? Next thing, no true audience. What do I mean by no true audience? So here on YouTube, let me use YouTube again. Here on YouTube, what I used to do is always promote my ebooks, my free guides. I still do. They're still down in the description box, but I don't do that all the time. I'm building an audience here on YouTube, but also if people want one of the free guides, they go down to the description box, they click on it, they put in their name and email address, and now I have an audience on YouTube, I have an email list, I still got my audience over on Facebook, have people that read my website, have people that follow me on other websites as well. So that's just here for the Homemade Entrepreneur brand. But what about other ones? About, cooking and kitchen stuff and all that, housewares. I still have websites on that. I have email lists on that. I have stuff on fitness and health. Obviously, cooking's one of the bigger ones that I have, but I have all those different ones. So I have a true audience. So now when there's a new product that comes out, or, it's, Black Friday, or it's Valentine's Day, for Valentine's Day, I'm going to offer certain things to my different audience because I have a true audience that is based around a certain category, certain, whatever it is, okay, a certain idea. For example, this one, how to make money, living the entrepreneur lifestyle. That's what I talk about here. Over for cooking and stuff like that, I'm obviously talking about cooking. So it's a true audience that I can go and target. I can send emails to. I can go and try to promote different things to them. At the same time, it's one of my traffic sources. But again, I'm trying to provide that initial value first before I give them the link to hopefully go and buy said product. Here's something else. Okay, one of the things I want you to understand. Let's go back to my course. So let's go back to this course. One of the things I talk about inside my course, I talk about email marketing. I talk about, obviously it's all affiliate marketing, but email marketing, talk about YouTube, talk about social media and websites. Those are my main 4 things that I do. Number 5, obviously to get people into an email list, I use paid traffic. So those 5 things are what I do here. That's what I teach inside my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. The reason why that's important, okay, is because, let's go to this. Follow too many strategies. What I teach and what maybe Chow teaches, or I don't know, there's other affiliate marketers out there, okay? But let's say you go to 5 or 10 different affiliate marketers. Each one is going to have their own different strategy. You need to do this, you need to do YouTube, you need to do Facebook, you need to do Twitter and Instagram, you need all this stuff, okay? And you've probably been there. If you have, hit that thumbs up button. But you've probably been there where there was so much stuff that you were consuming. It's like, I can't imagine doing all these things. Well, you need to pick one strategy that will work for you. Like I said, I like to use YouTube because it's a huge platform. It's the second largest search engine in the world. And so that's why I like to use it, because you can tap into a market that's already there. Okay? That's one of the reasons why I like to use YouTube. And so by following too many strategies, what I'm talking about is follow somebody that you believe their strategy is what will work best for you. Okay? Now that's the reason why I wanted to show you that course is because, and explain to you what's inside, is because I don't want you to follow my course if, for one, you don't want to use YouTube, you do not want to build an email list, you do not want to use social media, you do not want to build a website, okay? And you don't have any money for paid traffic. So if those 5 things are all true, do not buy my course, because my course will not help you, because my course is a different strategy than what you want to do. And if all 5 things of those are true, affiliate marketing is just not for you. And the last reason why many affiliate marketers fail is because they quit before they actually succeed. They have the basics down. They have a website, they have Facebook, they have traffic, okay? They have the offers, they have everything there, but they get 10, 20 visitors to their offer and nobody buys. That's perfectly fine. 10 or 20 visitors and nobody buys, that's nothing to laugh at. That's nothing to shake your head and be like, oh, I messed up, I failed. No, you need more traffic. Okay? So if you do all these things and you still can't succeed, then it is something that you're doing wrong. Okay? So I just want you to understand that with affiliate marketing, it's not dead. There's a lot of people making a bunch of money. I think more people honestly make money with affiliate marketing than you will ever know. Because the people that make money with affiliate marketing, again, like I said, it's not the sexy business. It's not the business that a lot of people are like, oh, I need to get into affiliate marketing. That's where the money is. Because most affiliate marketers, they don't go out there and say, oh, I just made $15,000 today or this week or this month. Most of them don't. The reason why is because the biggest people on YouTube are all talking about the next best thing. Why? Because that draws attention. That draws traffic to their videos. And the reason why they want traffic to their videos is because they're going to sell them something else. Right? Just being honest. That's how it works. Okay? The reason why you're here is because you watch enough videos on affiliate marketing. I give you enough value, all this stuff. Okay? Teach you new things. But eventually you'll be like, hey, that's true. I probably need this course. So then you go and buy it. Okay? Again, I'm just trying to be honest. That's how it works. In my head, in anyone's head, I was doing YouTube videos, there's a reason why. It's probably not just because they have nothing to sell, they don't want to make money, they don't monetize their videos, they're just bored throughout the day. They're not making videos for that reason. There's always a reason behind it. Okay? Yeah, I love teaching people how to make money online and live that online lifestyle, but at the same time, doing this, I could, instead of spending the time creating a video, I could go and create another income source. And so instead of doing that, I swapped that for teach people how to make money online, possibly sell a course here and there, get a little money from YouTube ads, and that's that. So smash that thumbs up button if you like honesty. But if not, hit the thumbs down button, I guess. But anyway, that's all I really have for you guys. Affiliate marketing is not dead. It's not going anywhere. I think it's going to be around longer than most businesses, because honestly, it's true. What I'm going to say, but honestly, I think the whole sales world, okay, it really thrives off of referrals, and that's what affiliate marketing is. I refer you to this offer. I refer you to that person's service. It's just an affiliate. That's it. Okay? So like I said, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and you love honesty. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.